Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change username on Threads. Maybe you are tired of your old username and you want to update it to something new. So today I'm going to show you how to change username on Threads. Check page description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In this page, you will see this Edit Profile button. Simply tap on it to access your profile settings. Here, you will now see your current username. Tap on it. A message will appear below saying that your name and username on Threads are synced with Instagram. You need to change your Instagram username to change your Threads username. So close this page and tap on this Instagram logo at the top right to go to your Instagram account. Here, tap on this Edit Profile button again. And in this page, you can now change your username. First, delete your current username, and after that, you can now type in your new desired username. Once you are done, tap on this check icon at top right corner to save the changes. Now, go back to Threads, and after that, you now have successfully changed your username on Threads. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change username on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change username on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.